Did you know Atari's final console was built on one of the biggest lies in gaming history? In 1993, Atari launched the Jaguar with the bold slogan, "Do the Math," claiming it was the world's first true 64-bit console. They even mocked their competition for being inferior. But here's the shocking truth. The Jaguar wasn't 64-bit at all. It had two 32-bit processors that barely worked together. Game developers absolutely hated it, calling the system impossible to program for. The complicated architecture made creating games a nightmare. While Atari bragged about being mathematically superior, the Jaguar became one of the biggest flops ever. It sold only 250,000 units worldwide, while Sony's PlayStation and Sega's Saturn sold millions. The failure was so catastrophic that it ended Atari's hardware business forever. The most embarrassing part: developers later revealed that Atari's own marketing team didn't even understand their console's specs. They just made up numbers and hoped nobody would notice. Sometimes doing the math reveals uncomfortable truths.